The National Weather Service in La Crosse has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Buffalo County, southwestern Clark County and central Wisconsin, northwestern Jackson County, northern Shrimpilo County, until 9:15 p.m. At 8:18 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 6 miles north of Strum to near Altura, moving east at 60 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Severe thunderstorms will be near Osseo around 8:25 p.m. Arcadia around 8:45 p.m. Independence around 8:50 p.m. Whitehall around 8:55 p.m. Blair and Greenwood around 9 p.m. Other locations impacted by these severe thunderstorms include Highway 73 and 98, Wildcat Mound, Tioga, Highway 10 and Bald Peak Road, York, Cream and Chimney Rock. This includes Interstate 94 between mile markers 88 and 114. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. for west central Wisconsin. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.